Let's go down for another river update. It's been about 4 hours since I checked on the river last time, and since then we've probably gotten at least another 10 inches of snow. So let's go see where it's at. My husband said one of the county plows did come through here, however, you would never know it. This little bit of plowing is from my husband trying to clear the mailboxes. And here's the river, still flowing. Looks like it might be freezing a little more than it was this morning, but it's definitely beautiful. It's only 4 o'clock and this is supposed to go on until 9. And I would say we have, I don't know, 15 to 20 inches of snow right now. I mean, look in my hood, just from walking down to the driveway, how much snow I've collected. It's crazy.